Come with me with our last citer of the year 2025. Hi guys, I'm back. This is Reb Kareen, your house tour partner. Happy New Year! So this citer happened last December 30, 2025. I will be assisting our St. Benedicto's Realty seller and her client at Tierra Nava Lumbia for my townhouse corner for assume listing. So here we are in the subdivision. Guwapa na kay ang gate. So time flies really fast, no? From our first ever site tour here in Tierra Nava Lumbiana, land development pa siya. So this is my listing height from my Ma'am Jen. So corner ni siya, it's a 68 square meter corner townhouse. Hello, Amorsico. And here's our client. So pag umangko ni siya sa client from the US. So here's the interior of the house. So bare unit pa siya. So it's only 350,000 assumed price. So nice na siya nga subdivision. It's already fully developed with basketball court, clubhouse. I do feel emotional whenever nga nanay fully developed subdivision since I know daghan pud ko clients na move in dari. Congratulations to everyone. So that's all. Thank you.